So hi all, this is Kaudam, worked as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So today we are going to see about the topic which is coming under the new product development subject in the subtopic of modern development. So here is the some of the modern process development progress or the process in standard ways. First one is ideation, second one is product definition, next one is prototyping, then followed by detailed design and validation and testing, then followed by commercialization. So here is the ideation, which is nothing but exploring the idea generation, then followed by the filled out narrative and exploring ideas, then followed by creative presentation for steering committee, then second one is followed by the product definition. We should define the product or problem statement, etc. First one is product discover starts and define core functionality and understand the market size and revenue. Then followed by prototyping, we should create a one model for our manufacturing product like a prototype or a miniature. Here is the create a prototype, then create MVP, then market research and update the business plan. Then followed by detailed design map, which is nothing but refinement of prototypes, then detailed products design, then confirmation of business plan and GTM plan. Then final one is validation or testing, which is maybe called as a quality control or quality assurance, ensuring the prototype work as a planned, then validating the products in the eyes of the customers, then followed by testing the variability and finance. So here is also one of the part, then followed by next one is lay the foundation of your product, then followed by the definition of periodize futures, then define the minimum viable product, which is the scope of the product. Next one is lay of the foundation of your product, which is comes under the product of understanding your end user, what they need and what they are expecting from us, then followed by define the product's value proposition, then followed by define and prioritize, highlight main functionalities and make sure the priority of guide development. So next one is here is the curve combination, which is called as a S curve. The S curve refers that the chart that is used to describe the visualize and predict the performance of the project or business over time. So here is I given some example in a graphical method. So here is the product design versus product development, which is nothing but develop a product refers to the complete life cycle. This is start from the market analysis to goes up to the final product launch. In product development, then product design, which is nothing but it comes under the only design part. We have to create the cycle for the design and validate the design. Next one is supervision. The product developer supervise each stages of development. The product designer has to be report the developer of the approval. So this is the two major difference between the product design and product development. Then followed by decision making, prototype and team. All decision of marketing, finance, sales and logistics are taken in the development stages. Next one is design decision are taken during the product design. In the development phase, it is evaluated by the developer that forms the basic of the product. Then prototype is designed for the product design. We have created the UI, UX definition and etc. So here are some stages of in product development, which is nothing but idea creation and screening, then concept development, then business analysis, then product development, then test the marketing analysis. Next one is commercialization, which is we have already discussed. Idea feasibility study, then followed by preliminary decision, then testing and product launch. Next one is FAST method, FAST method, which is nothing but F stands for function, A stands for analysis, S stands for system, and T for technique, which is overall called FAST method analysis. Top-down approach, which is from bottom to end, then front to back. Likewise, we should use the define, analyze, and understand the product functions, how to function related to one another, and each functions require attention to increase the product value. Hierarchical approach for the model process and etc. So here is some fast analysis method I have shown for the understanding purpose. From left to right, we should questionize how how to do, how to product, and how likewise. Now next right to left we should followed by the why the problem are occurring, why the functions are occurring, etc. From bottom to top, higher order function, first one is basic function, followed by what is our secondary function which is required, then followed by another secondary function, then assumed function. So the this is the overall package of some modern development techniques and fast analysis method, followed by product development and product defects. Thank you.